Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a component set in Figma. Component sets are incredibly useful for organizing multiple variations of a design element, like different button states or icon sizes, all under one unified system. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your Figma application on your computer. Once Figma loads up, you'll see your recent files and projects displayed on the screen. Now you need to navigate to the specific file where you want to create your component set. Click on that file to open it. This could be any design file where you have elements that share similar characteristics but have slight variations, such as primary and secondary buttons or different icon styles. With your file open, it's time to select the elements that you want to group into a component set. Click on the first element, then hold down the Shift key and click on the additional elements you want to include. Make sure all the variants you want to combine are selected together. These could be frames, groups, or individual layers that represent different states or versions of the same component. For example, if you're working with buttons, you might select the default state, hover state, and disabled state all at once. Now that you have your elements selected, look over to the right side of your screen where the Properties panel is located. In the top right corner of this panel, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Create Component Set. This action groups all your selected elements into a single component set, allowing you to manage and organize variants much more efficiently. Figma will automatically nest your selected elements as individual variants within the new component set, making it easy to swap between them in your designs. And that's it. You've successfully created a component set in Figma, which will help you maintain consistency across your design system and speed up your workflow whenever you need to use these elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.